Hi, I'm Sharon Lau from Digital Strategy and Leadership Practice of NUS-ISS. The courses I teach are focused on business agility, change leadership, digital talent management, and many other topics that are important for digital leadership in executive education and the master's program. My teaching and thought leadership is inspired by more than 20 years of my career experience. Today, we live in a world that is volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. Every leader must be prepared to lead and navigate in the VUCA environment. Through visionary leadership, agility, and flexibility, digital leaders must help teams to thrive through the turbulence brought by the constant change of customer needs, emerging technologies, new form of competition, and the constantly changing operating environment. This course will focus on how business leaders incorporate the key principles of business agility to transform their organization through focusing on the agile mindset and different ways of working for their human capital. At the end of the course, learners are able to translate the integrated theories and principles into practical leadership actions that can drive agile transformation for their organization. If you are seeking to increase business agility for your organization, this course is for you. Come join us to learn how to navigate this important paradox that every digital leader must face today.